Alright guys, let's do outdoors here. We're heading out for the opener for Utah. We did the youth hunt 2 weeks ago. Now it's time to let the big dogs run. We have me, Wyatt, and Dustin. You guys just seen Diesel. We're gonna run him on the opener. The bolt's loaded with a bunch of motion and about 3 dozen decoys, I think is what we had planned out. We're spending the night. This is Friday the night before. We'll see you guys when we get to the boat ramp. Alright guys, we have made it to getting food. We are almost there. We're just gonna stop and get some Subway real quick. And then we're gonna hit the boat ramp. It is starting to rain a little bit where we're sitting at. We did check the weather. We are going to be getting rain probably between 9 and 10 o'clock for a little bit. So we're gonna have to try and hunker down quick. Catch you guys when we're at the boat ramp. Alrighty, we have our food. It was a little busier than we thought. We're now out to the boat ramp. See you guys there. Alrighty, you guys, we made it out. As you guys can see, we're driving down the first patch of road into Farmington.
Good job taking that one a lot slower.
Wow, it is really dark in here, apparently, to the camera. Alright, Wyatt, how many people do you think are in the parking lot?
I'm gonna say cars out, or trucks out in the parking lot. I'm gonna say that there's a solid 7. And I'm gonna say 3 boats stay the night, not including us.
Okay, Dustin, how many people do you think are gonna be here?
The time we're making it, I'm gonna guess 7 boats are here, excluding us. And I'm gonna say 5 vehicles outside the boats. Vehicles with the boats don't count.
Alright, I think there's gonna be 10 plus people in the parking lot. All of them are staying. And there's gonna be nobody waiting to walk out in the dike tonight. And I'm gonna say there's at least 2 campers in the parking lot with boats.
Oh yeah, I forgot I was gonna have, I got 2 campers also. 2 campers.
2 campers, okay. Alright, we'll roll the camera as we're coming around the corner. I know there's at least 1 boat in front of us right now. And I seen 1 boat coming in behind us when we turned the bend back there, getting off the freeway. So that's at least 2. So you guys have to have less than 5 in the parking lot, or 5.
Hey, the one behind us doesn't count.
So ones that are in the parking lot.
Okay, so there's 1 in front of us. Oh, are we gonna do estimates on airboats being here already?
None.
None?
I don't agree, but
they're saying none. I'm gonna say there's at least 1.
No, the fact
More
there was
likely
only
they're probably
3
not gonna
that
be.
showed up at the youth fair, I think there's 0 out.
Well, there were supposed to be 5. at the youth fair.
Exactly. So I think there's gonna be 0.
But 1 was an all-call no-show, and the other one had engine problems.
Which you can't necessarily, I mean, it's all volunteer. It's not like you're truly a no-call, no-show. I mean, it's still great to hear that you can't go, but I'll wait.
Ooh.
Look at the sunset, though.
Yeah, look at that.
I tried to do the
Thumbnail.
sunset.
Just kidding. Alrighty guys, we'll come back on the camera when we get back to the boat launch. We'll see how many people are there.
Alright, now it's been
1 airboat, I win. I got 1 bet under the belt. 1 belt under the belt.
Landing for the duck calls. Well, this and boys will out blow 'em all. And Granddaddy gave me this one here. We're jumping logs in our duck boats, whatever it takes to get the hole. Well, me and the boys really smoked 'em here last year. But you see now, it's about more than dogs and trucks.
Alright guys, hopefully this isn't too slow. We have launched Dustin and Wyatt into the water. They're going to go drop the decoys. We can't fit everything right now in the boat. They're gonna come back. We're gonna grab all of our sleeping stuff and head out. I'm gonna let the dog run around for a minute, and then we'll head out to our spot. Hopefully hit the live right after that. You guys can see him. We're gonna let the dog run around. While we wait around. Alrighty guys, we are just finally gonna probably try and head out. It looks like the rain just might have picked back up, but the landing has striked. It is currently 11:12. We went and just checked on the decoys and they seem fine. So we're gonna try and go out and holster in our spot, flip up the blind and cover ourselves, and hopefully we can make it through the rest of the night until morning of shoot. I'm gonna leave the big camera home or in the truck so that it does not get ruined out there, and just take GoPros. We'll finish off with phone recordings and GoPros from there. Catch you guys in the morning. Alright, well you guys can tell we are back home. Took a little nap and everything. I'm trying to get everything all cleaned up. We tried to hunt this morning, but we got really soaked. We were rained down into our pants. We ended up calling it. We ended up with 5 of them. I think the first 4 were on camera because I didn't set it up yet because it was raining so bad by the time shooting light came around. But this opener was pretty rough for us. We'll see if we make it out tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.